Welcome back to another Workspace Academy tutorial created by Media Agility, the premier Google partner for helping users and admins work smarter and get the most out of your investments in Google Workspace. Hi friends, I'm Shilpi, and in this video we are going to cover the best shortcuts for Google Chrome browser if you are a Mac user. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe below. So let's get started. So keyboard shortcut number 1 is retrieving your last closed tab. How often have you been working on something and maybe accidentally close a tab, or maybe you closed a tab a little earlier and you were like, oh, where did it go? And how do I get back to it? Well, all you need to do is select Command Shift T, and this will reopen your last closed tab. This is my last closed tab. So number 2 on our list is to do the exact opposite, closing the tab. So simply select Command W and your current tab will be closed. I'm sorry, I would not click this Command plus W, because in that case I would be closing my current tab, which has already been opened over here. Next, step number 3 on our list is we have a shortcut key which is going to help us save time when we are moving through our different tabs. So sometimes it happens that when we are giving a presentation or we are sharing a screen with the audience, in that case you have to move back and forth in your tabs. So simply select Command Option right key or the left key, depending on the direction that you want to go. It's super easy. Now next, step number 4 is we have a shortcut key that can help us manage our downloads, and we can review them much quicker and easier. So in that case, you simply need to select Option Command L, and it will open the history of all your downloaded files and PDF. So I'll just quickly click on Command Option L. So here I have gone to my download section, and this will show the entire history of the downloads that I have done over here. And the best part is we can find it in the folders also. Now my next shortcut number 5 is to access or manage our bookmarks, which is on the top of the Google Chrome browser. So for this, it's very easy and super fast over here. You just need to click on Option Command and B. So once I click on Option Command B, I can see my entire bookmarks bar over here with the folders as well as the subfolders. So one thing over here is I can rename my folders over here. I can delete any of the folders. I can open them in the new window or the new incognito window. And simply dragging on top or bottom is also possible over here. I can also search my bookmarks based on the subfolders in this search bar column. So that's how you can manage your bookmarks over here. Next shortcut in our list is going to allow us browse privately, so that no one can come to know what sites or what data you are browsing. Yes, I'm talking about the incognito window. So if you want to open the incognito window, the best shortcut over here is Command Shift and N, and this will open up a new incognito window. But mind it, you know that you are browsing it privately, and you also know that the Chrome will not save your history. However, your activities might get visible to your employer or the internet service provider. So be very careful about it. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. For more Google Workspace tips, tricks and tools, please be sure to subscribe. And if you and your team wants to get more out of your Google Workspace licenses, with guaranteed support times, expert advisory, proactive feature release updates, and much more at all no cost to you. Contact Media Agility today using the link in the description box. Till next time, here's to working smarter with Google Workspace.